Donald Trump wants to revoke the status of over 500,000 people who are here in the United States. Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our offices in St. Louis, San Diego, and Washington, D.C. In today's video, we're going to talk about a late Friday night announcement by Donald Trump and the Department of Homeland Security that they intend to revoke the so-called CHNV parolees and revoke their status in the United States. So people from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela were paroled into the United States on an individual basis, one by one, over the last 2 or 3 years under the Biden parole programs. And this is similar to the programs that they had previously for Afghans and Ukrainians. But the announcement last night from the Trump administration that they were going to revoke the status in the next 30 days for those people from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela. They want those people to leave the United States. They say that this rule is going to go into effect in 30 days. Now, I know for a fact that there's already litigation going on about the possible revocation of CHNV parolee status. These are people who are in their foreign country. They came to the border, and the Biden team allowed them to be paroled into the United States for humanitarian reasons and to wait here while they had an underlying immigration benefit being processed. Now, on February 14th, Donald Trump's USCIS said, we're going to stop processing any applications filed by these people. And now they're going one step further, and they're trying to revoke the status that was already granted. Now, of course, this is going to be challenged in courts, probably many more than one court. And you can expect that that rule will most likely not go into effect in 30 days. So 30 days from now would be around April 22nd. By the time you watch this video, it would be less than 30 days. But in any event, the revocation is obviously a very, very scary thing. This is all these people have, right? And this is how they were allowed into the United States. They were validly and legally paroled into the United States. And now by the signing of a pen, the president believes that he can retroactively revoke that parole and kick these people out of the United States. This is, again, trying to get to their goal of deporting as many people as possible. They are encouraging people to log into their USCIS website and to self-deport themselves. And as an immigration lawyer, I'm obviously not your lawyer, but as an immigration lawyer, you should definitely talk to a lawyer before doing that. Most likely, this is going to be enjoined, which means a federal judge is going to stop the immediate implementation of this revocation. And you can expect that to be fully litigated probably all the way to the Supreme Court. They're going to do this also with Ukrainians. And again, this puts to the lie the fact that they keep saying, oh, Donald Trump only cares about illegal immigration. That's not true. These people were validly paroled into the United States. They were legally allowed into the United States. Donald Trump should not be revoking their parole status, and they should be allowed to stay here. And I believe they should be allowed to have their benefits continued, and whatever applications they've applied for, those cases should be processed. So there's a lawsuit right now going on in federal court in Massachusetts, going on by our friends at the National Action Center. We greatly respect the work that they're doing, and you can anticipate that they will litigate very vigorously for all the people in these situations. So what you need to know, if you are from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, or Venezuela, or Ukraine, when it comes to the Ukrainians, are going to do the same thing probably next Friday. They love to release bad news on Fridays, that this is all going to be litigated and you don't have to leave right away. And you certainly shouldn't leave before talking to your immigration attorney or an immigration attorney. Speaking of talking to an immigration attorney, if you want to talk to me, you can do it for free. I do a show called the Immigration Answer Show. I do it 3 or 4 times a week. You can find us on YouTube at the Immigration Answer Show, or in Facebook. We have a Facebook group called Immigrant Home. We go live on there. I think it also posts in LinkedIn and Twitter. So you can find us there if you want to watch the videos. If you want to come ask me a question, you can text the word show to 314-470-3300. We also have this vibrant Facebook group that I mentioned, Immigrant Home. We'd love to have you join us. That's where thousands of immigrants are talking about the immigration process every day. And we also have TikTok. We talked about that. If you want to call us to help you with your immigration case, feel free to dial 314-971-8200. I guess nobody dials anymore. I guess you just push the buttons. Or you can send us an email, info@hackingimmigrationlaw.com. Thanks so much for watching. Try to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.